Is your game always lagging, stuttering, or running slow, even when your PC seems fine? Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock your CPU's true performance and optimize your system like a pro. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just want your PC to feel faster and smoother, this guide is packed with powerful steps that can make a real difference, especially on budget or older machines. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Step 1. Make your CPU work at full power for better gaming performance. In this first step, we will ensure your computer is using all of its processing power, so your game, like Fortnite, can run as smoothly as possible. Start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and then type System Configuration into the search bar. When it appears in the search results, click on it to open it. Inside the System Configuration window, you will see several tabs at the top. Click on the Boot tab. Once you are on the Boot tab, look for a button that says Advanced Options. Click on this button and a new window will pop up. In this new window, you will see a checkbox next to Number of Processors. Click on this checkbox to turn it on. Below the checkbox, there is a drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down menu and select the largest number you see. This number represents the total number of cores your CPU has, and choosing the highest number ensures that all your CPU cores will be activated and working at full capacity. Activating all cores will help improve the game's performance, making it run faster and smoother. Once you have selected the highest number, click OK to save the changes. Afterward, click Apply and then OK again to close the window. Now, your computer will always be using its full processing power, which means Fortnite will have better frame rates and less delay during gameplay. Step 2. Turn off power throttling in Windows for Counter-Strike 2. When you play Counter-Strike 2 on a computer with lower specs or a budget PC, it's essential to ensure that your computer is always using its full power. Windows has a feature called Power Throttling. To turn off power throttling, first press the Windows key along with the R key at the same time on your keyboard. This will open a small window called Run. In this window, type gpedit.msc and press Enter. This will open the Local Group Policy Editor, a tool that allows you to change specific settings on your PC. On the left side of the window, navigate through the folders by clicking on Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, followed by System, and finally, Power Management. On the right side of the window, scroll down until you find the option labeled Power Throttling Settings. Double-click on this option to open it. A new window will appear with different settings. Look for the option called Turn Off Power Throttling and double-click it. In the new window that opens, select the option Enabled, then click the Apply button, and finally click OK to save your changes. Once you have done this, Windows will no longer slow down your CPU in the background, allowing both your CPU and GPU to work together more efficiently. This should result in smoother and more stable frame rates during your Counter-Strike 2 sessions. Step 3. Disable HPET to stop stuttering and FPS drops. To do this, follow these steps carefully. First, right-click on the Start button on your screen and select Device Manager from the menu. In the Device Manager window, scroll down to find the section called System Devices. Click on the arrow next to it to expand the list of hardware devices. Look for an item named High Precision Event Timer in the list. Right-click on this item and select Disable. This will turn off the HPET without uninstalling it. Disabling this feature can help reduce input lag and timing issues that cause stuttering, which will result in smoother gameplay and fewer sudden frame drops while playing Counter-Strike 2. Step 4. Optimize your CPU. Using Quick CPU for maximum performance. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. To optimize your CPU performance and get the best frame rates and lower input lag. While gaming, you can use a tool called Quick CPU. Start by downloading and installing Quick CPU on your computer. After it has been installed, it will open automatically, and you will see its main user interface. In this step, we are going to adjust some settings to make sure your CPU is working at its best. The first thing you need to do is select your system's power plan. Click on the drop-down menu and select the option called Ultimate Performance. This power plan is designed to maximize your CPU's efficiency by ensuring it always runs at full power. This will help you achieve smoother gameplay, higher FPS, and less input lag. Next, scroll down to find the Core Parking setting. This setting controls whether some of your CPU cores remain idle to save power. For gaming, you want all CPU cores to be active at all times. Set core parking to 100% so that all your cores stay active. Then, set the performance setting to 100% to ensure the CPU is always running at full speed. After that, set frequency scaling to 100% to keep the CPU speed at its maximum, and set turbo boost to 100% to allow your CPU to speed up automatically when needed. Once you have made all these changes, click Apply to save them, and then click OK. Next, go to the Advanced CPU Settings tab. In this tab, make sure the box for Turbo Boost is checked, as this will allow your CPU to automatically increase its speed when necessary. Also, check the box for EIST, Enhanced Intel Speed Step Technology, which helps manage power efficiency without reducing performance. After making these adjustments, close Quick CPU. These settings will remain active and help improve your CPU's performance during gaming sessions. Step 5. Optimizing system memory. Using ISLC program, you can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. To optimize your RAM and make sure your system is using memory more efficiently, we will use a tool called ISLC, Intelligent Standby List Cleaner. This tool helps your PC manage memory better, leading to improved performance when playing games like Fortnite. Start by opening the ISLC program after downloading it. At the top of the window, you will see the total system memory displayed in megabytes, MB. Take this number and divide it by 2. For example, if your system has 16,000 MB of RAM, you will set the cleaning value to 8,000 MB. If you have 32,000 MB of RAM, set it to 16,000 MB. Next, check the boxes labeled Start ISLC Minimized and Launch ISLC on User Logon. This will make sure ISLC starts automatically whenever your computer turns on. On the right side of the ISLC window, enable the Timer Resolution option and set it to 0.5Z. This will help reduce latency and make Windows respond more quickly. After that, set the polling rate to 1,000 milliseconds if your computer is fast, or 10,000 milliseconds if your system is slow or old. Now click Stop, followed by Start, and finally, click Purge Standby List. This action will clean unused memory, which helps prevent sudden FPS drops and keeps Fortnite running smoothly with fewer interruptions. Step 6. Optimizing Windows using the Optimizer tool. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. To make Windows run faster and reduce unnecessary background tasks that may slow down your system, you can use a tool called the Optimizer tool. Start by opening the folder where you saved the Optimizer tool and launch it. Once the tool opens, go to the General tab, where you will find different sections such as System, App, Privacy, and Disk Drive settings. In the System section, turn on all options that stop unnecessary background services and programs that use up your system's resources. Make sure to enable options like Optimize Performance, Show All Notification Icons, Remove Menu Delay, Optimize Network, and others. You can also disable features like Sticky Keys and Smart Screen if you don't use them. Next, go to the App tab and enable all the settings to make your apps run faster. Then, in the Privacy tab, enable all the options that stop Windows from collecting unnecessary data. In the Disk Drive section, turn off Superfetch and Hibernation, as these features can slow down your system. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, go to the tab specific to your version. In the Gaming section, make sure to enable Game Mode, which helps prioritize system resources for gaming. Disable Xbox Live and the Game Bar, as they can negatively impact performance. Lastly, in the Privacy section, turn off services like telemetry, Cortana, smart menu ads, and others. After all the settings are adjusted, go to the Windows Update tab and turn off automatic updates if you don't want them running in the background. Once you're done, click Restart to apply all changes. Step 7. Make your PC start faster by disabling extra apps. To make your PC start up faster, you should stop unnecessary apps from running when your computer boots up. To do this, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager is open, go to the Startup tab. Here, you will see a list of apps that automatically launch when your computer starts. Right-click on any app that you don't need, such as Discord or Spotify, and choose Disable. This will prevent these apps from starting automatically and help your computer boot up faster. It will also free up resources for games like Fortnite, improving performance. By following all these steps carefully, you can make sure your CPU and GPU are performing at their best. This will result in higher FPS, less lag, and smoother gameplay in Fortnite and other games.